This eel has a secret. It does not hunt with its mouth. This is the gulper eel. At the tip of its tail, a light. In a place where nothing glows, curiosity is fatal. The jaw unfolds in 2 stages. First bone, then skin. The vacuum it creates does the rest. The mouth, when fully open, is larger than the body behind it. For the male, that jaw has a cost. As he matures, his teeth dissolve. His jaw follows. He trades the only weapon he has for the chance to reproduce. As his jaw disappears, something else grows. Organs tuned entirely to detecting a single female, somewhere in the dark. He will never feed again. He exists now for one purpose only. The ocean does not give without taking.